What's going on? What's going on? So, it's been a while since I've streamed or stram or whatever. Made a little burrito bowl. That kind of went a little wrong because I got impatient and did not drain my stuff enough. It happens. It's gonna be an eating stream. So, since the last stream, it has been Skolkanye. Shishny. So yeah, what have I done in that time? Had my first week of classes. I streamed last Monday, so it's actually been a week. I just speed around my processor design book. I actually streamed a few times before that for the same thing, actually, Zig compiler dev, terminal colors. But I was trying to compile LLVM while doing that, and on Fedora 40, I couldn't get LLVM. So I'm trying to compile work on the Zig compiler, and that implies having LLVM. And getting the LLVM and LLD and Clang development libraries compiled from source because they're not in Fedora 40 DNF was AIDS. I probably spent between my PC and my laptop about 12 hours trying to debug that. And so the fix was just to be on this computer and update Fedora, which involved removing a bunch of other conflicting things. But those were stuff that I wasn't using anyway, so it's not too big of a loss. So yeah, I can show the Zig issue I got kicked out, perhaps. It's actually probably might be the most trivial PR I've actually ever done, even on like my own project. This is like a AP or high school biology major that happened to prospective biology major that happened to have a uncle that was a programmer who could do this, so shouldn't be too difficult. But here you can see I've got this compiled. Was getting a lot of errors in this realm before. The Clang include dir as being the most trivial of them. Just explicitly set the LVM and LOD directory. I was also having a lot of problems with LOD and just Ninja, like a CMake drop-in that LLVM developers use, even on one thread or perhaps one job, just taking up all my RAM. That's 32 gigabytes of RAM and 32 gigabytes swap. So like, I want to Valve grind your, excuse me, your app, bro. Or maybe it could be. It also could have been MySQL issue. It's probably more likely, but might eat waft this and then stream. But in general, pretty good semester so far. Um, min compilers, operating systems, linear algebra 2, processor design, VIP, and probability statistics. Almost forgot I was in probability because I haven't even seen the professor yet, despite going to 2 lectures. But yeah, let's get it.
The thing I really want when it comes to these AI agents is that I want to be able to do the things I find fun. And that's why I want Devin to succeed. Like, that's why I want this, people. That's why I want it. Because if Devin succeeds, then I'm able just to do the things I want. I can focus on the parts that I want. I want to be able to come in here and just build out all the actual higher order components and do everything I want. And then every last little part that involves, like, say, some minor CSS, trying to make it look a little bit nicer, maybe make it a little nicer Flexbox, all those things that just take, half an hour of your time to actually do something. Instead, I want to be able to just hand it off and never think about it again. I want to be able to write 1, 2, 3 sentences. That's it. I don't want to have to deeply explain it, because if I have to spend 20, 30 minutes explaining it, I can just make it myself instead. So I just want it to go. I want it to be fast, and I do not want me to have to wait for it, meaning that I can go tell it to do something while I go do something completely separate at the exact same time. I want to be able to just whoop, you know what I mean? I just want it to be completely like 2 different trains. Yeah, exactly. Flexbox could be like a half an hour of bullshit. Exactly. Like, there's all these little things you'll end up playing around with Flexbox, or you'll end up playing around with whatever, or you're going to end up looking up Tailwind classes or new ways to do Tailwind. I just want to be able to just do the archetyping, and then just have Devin, just me going, hey, make this part of the program a little bit prettier. Hey, go do this one little front end and just do it really quickly for me. Hey, go do this one thing for me really, really fast. And that's it. That's all I want. I don't want anything else, and I'm just trying to get it to work, and guess what? It just hasn't yet. It keeps failing because I keep trying to ask it to create something or do something, and it always just hands me back something that when I see it, I go, oh, yeah, that kind of works, but I'm going to have to rewrite every last thing you did. And so, yes, do I want something like Devin to be a reality? In some sense, very, very much so, because you know what? I don't want to have to deal with the bullshit. Honestly, I don't want to have to deal with all the crap that comes with this that's really, really annoying. You know exactly what I'm talking about, but at the exact same time, I don't want to have to deal with having to fix Devin's crap every single time. It's like, is that better? Is it better? What is better to you? Needing to write out 20 minutes of specification and then another 20 minutes fixing some crap, or just spending 30 minutes doing it yourself? Me, I would rather just spend the 30 minutes doing it myself than going through this lengthy design process in text to describe something that's concrete and real and has a definite answer in code, just for me to have to fix the gosh dang code right afterwards. So right now, no, I just don't think it's possible, because if it was you, a real person, I could go like this. Hey, man, the interview component, it kind of looks like ass. Can you just try to make it look better? And you would come back some point later and go, hey, look, I tried to make it better, because I can talk to you like a human, like a real human. I don't have to try to coax you, let you know you're a senior engineer, then go on for like 25 minutes and ensure that you've actually done the right thing and like write up the most detailed version. You're not just going to hand me back the most insane part of like, hey, this is design, brother. And you're like, what kind of design did you just do? You call that design? Like, I don't know anything about design, but that is just horrible. And so then that's just what ends up happening every single time. So yes, absolutely. I really no. See, I don't want to do V0 either. V0 is not the thing I want to do either. Because V0, you have to I don't want to do the thing. Do you understand me? I don't want to do the thing. I want to go like this. Hey, I've put out a bunch of components, make them look good. Then I go away and I come back and there's a git diff and I go merge. That's what I want to do. Thank you. Like, for me, this is like folding laundry. I don't like that part. That's the thing I don't want. I want that one. Because we all have folding laundry that we don't find fun. We all want that, right? We all know, like, we all have that exact thing that we think about when we think about programming. The parts that we just don't find to be very enjoyable. And for me, it's just making things look nice, because I have to spend an inordinate amount of time, and then afterwards, I actually start getting like really obsessed about it, and then I end up spending honestly, I'll spend like 3 hours making something look nice, and I'm just like, shit, this is for me and me only, and I just spent 3 hours trying to make something look slightly nicer than it should. dumb. I shouldn't do this. I should not do this. I should not waste my time. I should just be doing the thing I need to get done. And that's what I want Devin for. That's what I want out of an AI agent, okay? I want to be able to talk to it like a human and just have it do the right thing, and that's it. So there you go. That's my thoughts on Devin right now. I really do hope it gets better, because it's done a couple times where I'm just like, okay, hey, you know what? You saved me a few moments. And then I swear, every single change it has ever made, I've had to rewrite within a half day. And it's just like, this does not help me, okay? This is not making my life better. I don't want to have to rewrite code, okay? Rewriting code is way less fun than writing code. I don't want to have to first figure out why you did your dumb thing, then try to figure out how to undo the dumb thing, and then write it again. So it's just like, you know what? Delete the whole thing. I'm just going to write it myself. Bada bing, bada boom. All right, anyways, there you go. There's my thoughts on it. Sorry, I get really kind of passionate about these things because I really.
That was muted for 2 years. Rip. Excuse me. My ear hurts, bro. I could I sit around wearing headphones for 10 hours a day. Damn, bro. 11. Oh, I got this new candle. Smells quite pleasant. Peach prosecco. Sypashitsa. Сипа-нащица. Понятно. Это не мой. Это не мой мой. Ну, поможешь. Помогите. 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 У меня много домашних задач. Став. Закончит ему ебать. Их. Итак, давайте. Блин. I was just thinking, I think I was a first year. I didn't know what a pointer was. I couldn't understand. Or I couldn't understand smart pointers or something. I'm cooked, bro. No! Сейчас давайте work on Zig, you know? Clear, so fix no color. This is on my local Zig, yeah? Fix no color. Get remote. Get remote origin. Get push dash dash get push origin. Am I cooked? Push dash dash set. Wow. Wow. Oh, worksheet 3. Gotta do my compilers worksheet 3. Alright, so let's do this. So let's review the issue. Imagine calling Zig build on something. Oh my god. Imagine calling dot dot slash build slash bin slash 105. What about Zig? sorry, dot slash build. Zig 1? No, Zig 2. Zig 1 versus Zig 2. What do we got here? So how do I just build some? How do I just get a command? Build bin, it's not build OS. So I don't know what that build is. What is that build? What is this? It's LVM. Oh, it's just, what is this? This is LVM. Yeah, this can be deleted. I should end up doing Armdishark build. Extreme on the right there. That's a fatty right there. Alright, back to Zig, clear, and then that, and we'll have my. So, sure. So if I just do Zig here, oh my god, I don't have Zig. Dot slash build slash stage 3 slash bin slash Zig. There we go. There we go. About Zig run. So no color there. Dash H, that's what this is. Big standard. Okay, and I'm compiling the standard library, and I'm gonna do that. Zig CPP. Okay. So there's something that's getting some color. So, back to the issue. Okay. So if we do this here, no color equals 1, that's actually better than 1. Dude, I need to figure out how to move in my, I've been putting that off. Okay, it works. But if you do Zig no color here, build stage 3 bin weak C++, it is true. It is true. Am I tweaking? Is this already fixed? So I'm kind of perplexed because or is this one already fixed? What is it? It's literally in main.zig 4668. Slash no color. I'm way out. That's a whole different repo right there. Is set. According to this, if you no color. That appears to be the case. Nothing, color is on. Equals 1, color is off. Equals nothing. color is on. I can't replicate this. Hmm. Could it be because we are? Could it be because we are? Could it be because this is embedding something else like OVM? That doesn't look common. Probably can debug that by doing this dash H. Yeah, so that's just re-outing playing input. So that was kind of big brain. That was medium brain. So I think my example is not right. Const color if. So I want to find a command that has color. Zig. What is a zig command that outputs color? I would do that by just searching color. Yeah. So let's go to this function turn color, see where it's used. So this is low-coded doc text. So maybe it's not the best example. Let's just do zig help again. So zig fetch. Let's see if this doesn't color. Zig fetch. What do you fetch? Copy a package into the. Okay, let's do zig and then. Let's do zig and then. This seems colorful. Hmm. So perhaps running a zig test. So zig. Or wait. Oh, the problem is I should just be doing this. Dot slash zig. Dot slash build stage 3 bin zig init. What about fetch? What about build? Oh, that's probably not what I want, is it? So let me undo all the random BS that I'm in. Yeah, I'll see what changed there. So yeah, what did I accidentally? I think by clicking zig and it, I just broke some Interesting. Ladna. Okay, so yeah, maybe I don't want to build all that. Okay. Um, Dude, we gotta run help again. Reduce, gotta be reduce. Nah. Dude, what prints color in Zig, bro? What prints color, bro? So let's look at the libc definition of getting v. Does it not just call into getting v at some point? Getting v.c. So it shouldn't be too big. The name of the variable consists of only one character. Therefore, the first two characters of the environment essentially are the character. And this character and an equals character. If it's a little Indian, you left shift. Dude, this is kind of AIDS. Bro, this is AIDS, okay. Still really trying to. Just really struggling to just make a command. Sif. That'd be Zig format. Format source. That's gonna take way too long. Format source. Format the format file. Nothing wrong. Format main. Nothing wrong. Let's go to main here. So let's just make something look like trash. I can't save it. Oh my god, that's so annoying, dude. OSP stop. That's not annoying, it's just part of the game. Okay, we go here. Main.zig, so then it just lists it. Hmm. Alright, what's another command we can try? Version is just gonna print the version. Yeah. Print Zen? I fuck with that. No, I respect that. Print the Zen, dude. Communicate intent precisely. Edge cases matter. Favor reading code over writing code. Only one obvious way to do things. Runtime crashes are better than bugs. Agreed. Compile errors are better than runtime crashes, certainly. Incremental improvements. Avoid local maximus. I don't know what that is. Reduce the amount one must remember. Sounds good. Focus on code rather than style. Noted. Resource allocation may fail. Resource deallocation must succeed. Memory is a resource. One that we seek to conserve, I imagine, and then together we serve the users. Dude, shout out the users, bro. Big fan of users, targets. There's a lot of compilation targets. libc. Dude, nothing does color. What about test? Test source. Is there test in here? Is there a test in print? Air.z? Is it, I mean? Okay, so I need something to fast fail. I'm cooked. I need something to fail a test. Is there a test in here? Yeah. Root.zig. Oh my god, I forgot I freaking. Wait, no. Oh no, that was. Oh, root.zig is some BS that I put in there when I accidentally made a freaking code gen. 13th. What in here is the 13th on it? Main.zig. Oh, wait. Did it overwrite that? Oh my god, I was. Oh, I'm so cooked. I could get reset hard. That's collapsed. Okay, so that was embarrassing. Let's go down to main. There are tests in here. Okay, we're making a new project. Zig init. Um, we're gonna make a new folder. Test folder. Zig init in folder. Okay, so we're gonna have to make the dir first. Make dir test folder del cd test folder del dot slash build stage 3 bin zig init. Okay, we did something. All right, so let's do a zig run. Run, what are we running? Source main. All your code base are belong to us. The frick is that, man? Oh, is that what my program does? What the frick is all your code base are belong to us, man? What the heck is that? What is that? All your code base are belong to us. Zeroing. What the Okay, I mean, it's your language, do what you want, type shit. So if this fails, let's see if it fails with like a red text or something. Oh, there we go. There we go. Okay, so with that, now we have something to go to work with. So now let's do no color equals 1. Delta slash build stage 3. Zig build test. There's no color. Sweet. No color equals nothing. Delta slash build Stage 3, Benzig, build test. So the goal is to make this command colored. So to do that, we're going to go to main, 999. Here, instead of no color is set, let's look up zig invar. Bro, I updated this like 0.2 minutes ago. The problem is like this is just such like a non-problem, bro. So how do you even zig environment variable? Var is set. OSP, let's get the OSP back. Or not. Invar cannot go to that. Standard library. Source. Oh wait, how does that work? Wait, Wiki, how does that work? How does that work? Lib. Standard. Lib standard. Okay. Standard inv. Or it's OS. What is it? Zig. Standard zig invar. Standard zig invar. So it's going to be re-exported from like main or something. That does not appear to be the case. I don't believe I did that. Search files. Dude, what? Am I in? What am I pressing? Search files. Invar. Invalid variadic function. Close enough. Now we're gonna have to grep the whole project. Invar. Standard zig zig. Invar we have is set. We have get. So let me be a little smarter about this. Get here. We'll go here. Or if native OS equals WASI or that, if no color is set. So it's not just if it's set. So can this error? Fuck. And we're going here. So 1, 2. Can this error? Else error, switch error. If it's environment variable not found, just return null. Okay. So that kind of works because we'll just do that get doesn't equal null. Is that it? Okay, is that it? How do I build Zig? Zig, so we're gonna have to. This will be the no color test thing. And here we'll CD dot and just Zig build this. Sorry, we're gonna dot slash build stage 3 Zig. Stage 3 bin Zig build. What failed to compile? I'm gonna open Zig lib. How do you build Zig? How else do you build Zig? Do you build subsequent versions with itself? Build Zig. Oh my god, it's a freaking other link. Yeah, I guess you just run this again. So clear that. CD build. CMake. With all this BS. Make install. Hey, it skips to Zig 2. Green. We're gonna let that. We're gonna let that do its thing. We're gonna let that thing do its thing. What? Oh, I'm cooked. No color dot get, or doesn't it pass it in? Doesn't it pass through? Arena. Do I have to make an allocator? Where's arena? It's an allocator. Am I cooked? Bro, I might be cooked. I think I'm cooked, bro. Oh, you need to put in an allocator. That's a good point. That's okay, a good point. Of course you gotta put in an allocator. This some real learn by doing type. In the most recursive way possible. push version. Oh. All right, so I think I have a rather sizable skill issue. Yeah. Page allocator is trash. All right. So I'm gonna be dumb and rely on Jippity. First, let's just get it to explain this. In Zig, can you explain how these same? Oh, it's arena out. Oh, is that allocate many times and free once? Zig arena allocator. Song is trash. Давайте постпанк. Давайте скрізь наших домов. Ух. Домов. Домов. So, an arena is any allocator which doles out memory from a pre-allocated chunk. You allocate a big block of memory up front. You bump a pointer. Deallocations do nothing until you reset the entire arena. Okay, I can get behind that. So that kind of makes it curious as to where is this referenced? Or better, where is this called? Strictly here. So that means on 999, I should probably just use the same arena, yeah? That's what I'm getting from this. That's what I'm getting from that. If so, I kind of mess with that. No hidden allocations. Hmm. Hmm. So you can't just do not equals to null. It's not that simple. Hmm. You can't just say if that's null or not. Okay. Oh, wait. Я что, на ютубе? Shut up. Oh my god, shut up. Type theory for all. Curious. So you pass in this thing. You can't just say if it's null. Zig, question, and exclam mark. Bum, 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 bum. Ooh. Oh, streaking sharp as L. So this means that there's an error. Well, how are people saying if invars aren't null? Does that occur in here? So, for instance, when we don't, we look at CLI color force. Frick is that? Look at ziglibc. So let's see where this is referenced. You might not be able to do that as easily because it's like the comp time reflection. Scheiße. So it's used here. Try. Huh. Huh. I'm not sure what try does in that case. Let's look at try. You want to return an error if you got one, otherwise continue with the function logic. So it's like the bang operator or the question mark operator. I don't want to return an error. That's not gonna happen likely. There's no errors I can get here. Because else error, switch error. Or I guess if it's not if it's null. How the frick can we not evaluate if it's null or not if null was in the return domain? Expected type bool. What is a question mark? Optionals. It could be null. What? Huh? It could be an I-32 or null. So this can throw an error and be null or a byte of U8s. Okay. So going here. We don't want to. Do we want to throw an error? I think you kind of have to if you. Try this. Doesn't equal null. The compiler builds, albeit it is main, still builds quite quick. Run out of mints, huh? That's a good sign. It's all fun and games until you start linking shit. As I've learned the last 2 days. In the meantime, let's do my compiler's worksheet. was theoretically in this pocket of my backpack. I was using my BJ's. So. Here we go. Let's acquire a pin as well. All right. Come on, bruh. What you doing, bruh? Link, bruh. So today we need to write the data flow equations for reaching definitions in a control flow graph. I don't remember how to do this, dude. I'm gonna leave that there. Linking. Oh, that was not linking. That was building C object. Maybe. What is building object stage? All right, I'm gonna let my ears rest. Not, I'm talking about in computer science, bro. Tufts University. Preprocessor compiler. Oh, that's the assembler. Required definitions from other libraries. I thought that's what linking was. Linker resolves all references in a set of object files. Now we're installing the project, which means something. Definitely feel like this compile was slower than the first one. Interesting. Shout out my 3 recenter subscribers. I appreciate. If I get a subscriber every 5 streams, it appears. It's kind of good. You like a subscriber a week? I'd die with like 1,000 subs. I'll take it. So yeah, that's what Arena does. Appreciate it. Is there another little chore I can do? Guys, minute. Probably take a shower at some point, but that's not this. This well. I can just do my homework, you know what I'm saying? Figure this out. Data flow equations. I need to get on Piazza for that. So it's like I'm looking at IP. So day. Piazza has replaced my entire website. Okay. That's a bit ambitious. Your website resets every 3 months. It's kind of dope. Transit of Oz. This guy's cooked. This guy's clapped. Um, Resources. Dude, what is going on here? Installing the project debug. What does that even mean? Oh, what does that mean? Why does it take 20 hours? Zig, install the project. I don't think it says installing, it says install. What does that mean? I don't recall that taking as long a time. I could just not understand. So worksheet 3, that's gonna be, oh wait, I'm still in, good, good. Worksheet 3, that's gonna be a result of lecture 3. So I guess I can publish this. And 0 viewers, so come at me if you want. Okay. Reaching definitions. So here we go. Write the data flow equations. So what are data flow equations again? Yeah, no def in use. Dead code elimination, general. Dude, why are all the slides in Comic Sans? That is just like interesting taste. I call that interesting taste. I mean, I kind of respect it though. Okay, so now we're talking about data flow equations. So these are the in and out set. Show the final in and out set that would be obtained as solutions to the equations in part 1, focusing only on 3 definitions of x. So we got one variable here, def1, def2, excuse me, def2 and def3. Noted. The data flow equations. Is that saying they're out and in? Write the data flow equations for each reaching. And then write the final in and out set. So the data flow equations are what? Step 4, what are the equations? So it's gen and kill. Gen and kill are your equations. Okay. Bro, what are data flow equations? So these are the reaching definitions. Or what is an explicit definition of what a data flow? What does it look like? What does a data flow equation look like? Is it these? Or is it these? I guess they're all data flow equations, probably could be. Dude, what is a data flow equation? Data flow equation. Install configuration debug. What does that mean? So that's out gen s. Okay. So we're doing kill gen. It looks like we're only doing kill gen. And this is, so let's do kill and gen. So gen is the set of definitions generated there. So gen b0. Gen b0 is equal to d1. Set containing d1. Okay. Gen b2. Sorry, b1 is equal to the set. So there's nothing gen here. There's nothing jammed in B1. So if there's a block with just nothing, so Jan and B1 is nothing. Kill. So kill B1 is just all D1, D2, D3. Sorry, kill B0, then kill B1 is equal to D freaking hell. Schmidt D2 and D3, D1, D2, D3. That's the set of kill there. Then B2, Gen. B2 is null set, empty set. Better. Kill. So does kill? I thought kill was talking about overwriting something. Okay, so kill is just all definitions minus D1. So I was kind of theorizing that. Dude, what is with this? Don't understand why it's not building, bro. So kill of B2 is going to be the set of all, which is D1, D2, D3, close bracket. Now in B3 we have def2, so gen B3 is equal to the set containing D2, whereas the kill set of B3 is equal to the set containing D1 and D3. On the other branch, gen B4 is equal to a set D3, kill B4 is equal to a set D1, D2. Label 5, sorry, block 5 containing label 3 is just an empty gen set. And a full kill set. It's D1, comma, D2, comma, D3, comma. And the same is true for label 1 in block 6. Gen block 6, empty set. Kill block 6, full set. Holy guap, that took a lot of time to say. Okay, so it didn't work. It ain't work. It ain't work. Is it the empty string? The empty string. Cannot compare strings with Zig compare strings. What? Standard mem equal. Yeah, so we y there 999. That's not even the right freaking file. What's going on here? So VT here. Oh, scheiße. We'll just go here. I wanted a capital P, no color. Huh? Oh my god, that's annoying. So it's standard mem equal U8, and then your two things. So B, try this. Try standard mem equal. Oh my god, that can error. Oh, that's AIDS. You're right. D word. That's really AIDS. That's actually quite AIDS. I don't even think this compiles. Frigate. But I don't want to go through all that again, just guessing, dude. I guess I can afford to because I got time to waste. Or I got time to install. I have CPU time to waste. What was I doing? Where was I? I was here. So I got the gen and kill sets, which only partly sure are the data flow equations and are desired. Now let's define the final in and out sets. So what was that again? To start at the outset, it's just the gen set. So what do in and out describe? Out is the union of those generated with those coming into it minus the ones that are killed. So now I see why that is a thing. That makes sense. And that's why you need to do all these iterations because there could be a flow that goes back up with a cycle. Okay. That's chill. Yes, I didn't even build. So it's just ask GPT. Make my money work for me with that. Cut it back to this. So the in is everything that can come back to it. So B2 inset. This is the final iteration. So can you just derive this from looking at it? B1 in is nothing. B2 out is everything it gens. B2 in is everything but D7. Agreed. B2 out is 6, 7, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6, 7. Is that accurate? 1, 2. No, it's 3. Oh. Oh, because there's a U. It's because there's a U bind under it. Fuck. It's kind of hard though here. Hmm. Alright, so I kind of read that a bit. Oof. Yeah, so this looks like poop, but this looks like poop, but before I try to clean it up, let's see if it actually works. I don't think it's actually horrible. If native S is WASI or standard mem equal U8, catch null, or else nothing. Yeah, so I think that's fine. Okay, I think that's fine. Ladna? Oh, we broke something. Expected array of U8 found const slice U8. I can tell you that. I can pay more attention to it than just copy pasting random BS into it in a second. So oh wait, am I still in freaking? Okay, we're good. So it's based on the uses, yeah? Dang, this paper smells good, bro. No, this paper smells good. The paper smells elegant as hell, man. Alright, so while there's a change, so you don't have two identical shits. Compute negative n? Or does it say not in? Is this a negative sign or a bullet point? Is the question. I think it's a bullet point, despite not having been used. What is with this commas? This or forward slash syntax. Okay. NB is equal to UP. So is that the union symbol or the letter U? I'm gonna say that's the letter U. And I think that's talking about use as in use. No, it's the union of all those reaching the three. It's the union, it's not use. Thought it had to do with where it was used. Let's just look at the answer and go backwards. So in the second iteration, so the first iteration, B1 in is nothing. B1 out is 1, 2, 3. Agreed. B2 in is 1, 2, 3. B2 out is 4, 5. But no. B2 out on the first iteration What's it on the 0th iteration? That's what I want. Initial. Initial is just Jin. And on the first iteration, you copy in the outs. B2. B2 kills D1 and D2. But not D3. Oh, that's true. It does pass out D3. Oh, that makes sense. That makes a lot of sense. Okay. B3 on the first iteration is just 4, 5. 4, 5, 6. B4 is 4, 5, and out 7 and 5. Okay, that's easy. So the second iteration, so B1 is the same. B2 is going to have 4, 5. No. Yes, it's going to have 1. No. I kind of looked at it. Why does it have 1 and 4? How does B2N have all that? Yeah, are the definitions not overwritten? Everything but 7. I agree. And out. Oh yeah, because in. Yeah, okay. Because it goes around to itself. Then out is just 3, 4, 5, 6. Easy. B3N is 1 is the same as this without 1 and 2. Yes, because it's just out this. And then out of B3 is going to be there's going to be 6, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6. Agreed. Then in of B4 is no, okay. So in of B4 is 5, 4, 3, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, green. Out of B4 is, so I kind of looked at it, but it's going to be 7, 5, 6. So 5, 6, 7. 4, 5, 6, 7. 3, yeah, 3 can be there. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Not 4. Because it overwrites 4, yeah, so not 4. I was just saying, okay. I think I can do this now. There's way too many freaking nodes. Oh, this has 6 nodes. So we're defining in and out. Move the const. Ya te gusta, 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 ya te gusta. Okay, I'll shut up. Yeah, so let me just shut up. We're doing in and out sets. In and out. Okay, so in In of the first one. Just empty. Out of the first one. It's just going to be D1. In of B1. So it's going to be D1. Out of B1 is always going to be D1. No, that's cap. Because it's super recursive. Okay. So D2 and D3. D1 and D2 and D3. Yeah, back. Out is D1, D2, D3. Okay, so here n is equal to D1, D2, D3. Out D1, D2, D3. In D1, D2, D3. Out D2. In D1, D2, D3, out D3, in D2, D3, out D2, D3. Here will be in D1, D2, D3, out D1, D2, D3. Freelo. Freezy. Okay, we built green. Can I get a green? Yata gusto, yata All right, so let me take a picture of this and sit it on canvas. So let me go to Canvas. I hope I can do this on my phone. That'd be freaking A. It's having emails to my love. Compilers and interpreters assignments. Worksheet 3. Submit assignment. Files. Not files. Camera. We can just retake the picture at that point. We're linking. We're installing. Mashallah. Okay, so I'll submit that. Submitted. Green. Let me update my calendar without doxing myself. Oh yeah, it's about time to go to bed. Это мы будем завтра. Это тоже мы будем завтра. Pick можно. Okay, so what all did I do today? I cooked. Took like 2 freaking hours when I got home. So that took a while. What else did I do today? After practice. What do I do after practice? I've been streaming. An hour. Yeah, that's about right. Just did zig. What did I do between practice? What did I do? Oh, I think I was in the library. I don't know what I did this from. What did I do, bro? Am I cooked? What did I do in the library all day? I was kind of working on the zig and the build tool and all that. Yeah, I was looking at Asahi Linux and all that. I think I took it that long. Whatever. So supposed to go for a walk effectively. Alright, so if I'm washing my sheets, I wake up a little earlier tomorrow. 7 morning. And if I have a laundry buffer, I'll do that for an hour. And I can also do a stream. Streaming what? We can read some OS tab. Can read some OS tab, you know what I'm saying? Start the laundry, get everything in by 7:30. Then an hour 30, maybe 9. I'll wait for a lecture. I wake up at 6:45. I just go to bed earlier. Let me not read tonight. Let me finish Zig in the next 20 minutes. Do night, read. Go to sleep here. And wake up at 6:30 type shit. Laundry, and then I'll have a bigger OS step buffer. Works out perfectly, you know what I'm saying? Let's attempt to shorten that to 45 minutes, and then I'll have a 2-hour stream effectively. Okay, so close up. Ah, rip. All right. So let's await this. Dude, shout out Caleb C. Bro, what is this? What is this stage here? Install configuration debug? Why does that take such a long time? It takes longer than building the project. Kind of confused by that. I need to get on the IRC as well. Do I have WeChat on here? Oh no. Wow. I haven't heard that sound. The moist. Wow. The freaking Fedora water drop sound is crazy. That's got to be a top five SFX. That's wild. Okay. So there's no color working. There's no color working. And that didn't work. Frick, dude. So it's not the empty string either. What is it? What is it? What is it in that case? So it turned it off because this evaluated it true. Oh, wait. Am I cooked? That has color. Wait, this has. So standard mem equals the empty string no color that's saying if it's the empty string, turn it off. That's what happens if you do with a 1 here. That also turns it off. Was? Was? I cooked? I don't understand that. How is that possible? Alright, frick ChatGPT, dude. ChatGPT is trash. Oh, what the f. That seems kind of obvious. I don't know what the point of doing this was. Dude, oh my god. I actually frick ChatGPT. I haven't even used it in a while. I just thought it would be better than that. Zig compare string. So standard process, get far around. So on here we just use POSIX. POSIX.getInf. If link libc environment while pointer 0. So continue until we get to it. Dude. 4. Git config page size. So, what is my page size? Let me try to answer that question right quick. That is a very kind of smart thing to know. Unprotect is returning invalid. Error inval. Better. So let's see what my page size is. Git config page size. Git config. Command not found. Git config is not found, Tommy. What about git conf? $16,384. That in bits or bytes or what? $16.384. What is M1 page size? So I need to go in Discord and link this. It's one thing. Dude, no, I'm still on. Thanks. Gigcon page on print 1634. Looking more into it. My kernel assumes 16K page size, but thanks a lot. Technically supporting both at times. Yeah, that makes sense. I didn't think to man and protect. No, shout out, dude. Root beer is goated, bro. No, shout out root beer. Yeah, that's an OG, man. That's an original. Dang, is this guy like cracked? This guy's a goat. 5 pubs. Got about 5 pubs. No PFP. Respect. Vedic Patel. Sure. I don't know you, but sure. No, this guy's goated, dude. Just casually looking at dumb kids' bugs on the Z compiler. Monday night. What a G. Yeah. There's no color one. What about no color nothing? Yeah, but what the heck, dude? Set info. How do you set it? Look, he forgot. Export. Export. No color equals 1. Not CMake files. Export no. There's no color, so that needs to. So echo no color or echo no color. Frick. Echo in var. Eval. Linux get in var. Oh my god. Get in var. How do you get in var? Print env. Okay. Print env no color. Is it nothing? What is it? What is the value of this? So what do I do if I just want to print something? I just fatal it. Sounds some dumb BS. So here, just do fatal. This is like one of those. So I'll just fatal here. So we got a response, it appears. There's a workaround in that issue that you can use. Please don't ask other people to rebase their code. Dude, root beer's green, dude. Please don't ask other people to rebase their code. Wait, is somebody just coming in here saying to rebase? Like, what is that? Get rebase, not get merge, please. Get rebase. Not get merge, please. Needs a re. Why the frick is he spamming rebase? What is that, dude? You do not read your rebase. This is only furthermore since Alex are here. Oh, it's just 3 minutes ago. Merging is blocked. How do you get Zig in the first place? Ah. Appreciate it. Pretty sure there's a belt. Standard debug print. You like this or something? I feel like that's not gonna compile. I feel like that shouldn't compile, Loki. Dude, this guy is so green, dude. No, shout out Alex RP. No, shout out Alex RP, bro. That's pretty dope. Self-taught. I wonder what he did, Loki. Codeberry, GitHub, Zigit. Kind of mess with that. Oh my god. This guy's cracked. This guy's insane, dude. .NET, .NET, .NET. Binary Ninja, Clang Sharp. DMD, D. Dude, this guy is insane. How the frick? Dude, this guy is crazy, bro. Google Summer of Code. Wow. This guy's cracked, dude. Working on the Mono virtual machine. This guy's been working on Mono for like 20. What is Mono? .NET. I never really knew much about it. I never really played with .NET. Dude, this guy's so cracked. Bro, this guy's actually insane, right? No, this guy's wild, dude. Bro went from working on Google Summer of Code, working on a mono CIL, and assembler and disassembler for 8 years after working at Microsoft. This guy's wild, man. No, this guy's goated. So he works at Vezel, making a bunch of stuff. He's created these, but no longer maintains these. Okay. A reverse engineering tool for Steam Hellgate London. Interesting. I've contributed substantially to all of these is just wild. Mono. So he's big into ECMA CLI, C Sharp, and .NET implementation. That's crazy, bro. No, this guy's freaking cracked. I'm trying to get like this guy, dude. Maybe more depth than Brett here. Just because this is freaking insane. But definitely respect. That's wild. Alright, did we finish this crap yet? Okay, so we need this. All of that. No way we got to that. Okay. How are you looking here? Good enough. Dude, this guy's crazy. Windows DR injection. Zig SDK. How much is bro making on Vezel? Oh, he gets 600 bucks if GitHub sponsors this. How's he getting? I thought he had like 3 sponsors. Divag. Oh, that's me. JS Engine Enjoyer. That's the first one of those I've heard of. He likes using NeoVim. This guy's written everything in Zig. He's building Zen? Is this the Zen guy? No, he's building Ladybird. Serenity OS. Mode Serenity OS user. Building. It's a truly independent web browser. So no Chromium, no Mozillium. This guy's also a Serenity head. I've only heard of Serenity. Unix like. What the heck? Oh, Linus Girl. There's the man himself. Dude, this kid's like 20 years old. How's this kid younger than me, bro? That's crazy. Dude, this guy's crazy, bro. Bro, this how is this guy so crazy, so cracked? I don't even comprehend them. How old is this guy, bro? It's wild. Oh, he works at Bloomberg. That's interesting. Just casually writing a JavaScript engine. Oh my god, dude. That is crazy. This guy's crazy. Oh my gosh, this guy's insane, dude. Member of Bloomberg. 38 people. This guy's crazy, dude. Now he's on Codeberg. This is like an anti-Microsoft thing. Former Serenity maintainer. Web enthusiast. TC39 delegate. No way. Oh my god. How is this guy so freaking cracked, dude? That's crazy. He's been living in London for 5 years. So he's probably on 26. Probably mid 20. I still can't believe how cracked this guy is. Respect. Dude, respect to this guy. This guy's crazy, dude. Oh my god. It's on Codeberg. It's like, I don't know. I can't really get behind using Codeberg. Jeez, GitHub, bro. I know I'm a normie. So this guy's 19. Xmozilla and you're 19? How does that even work? I wanted to see. I wanted to see the JavaScript engine runs in a 3DS. Please no. Please get JavaScript off my 3DS. Wait, this guy's 19? Or this person is 19? They're programming when they're like 11 or something. They're always made the account. That's crazy. work on my from scratch experimental ahead of time JS engine full time. Interesting. Yeah, this day is crazy, bro. Always toss somebody $1. Just out of respect. Bike shed. What is bike shed? It's like the config language. Okay. Huh? Not a specifier? No format size, not a specifier. Am I cooked? Yeah, I'm probably cooked. Yeah, I don't even know what I'm doing, dude. Frick me. Сколько сейчас времени? Alright, probably couldn't. Oh, it's already supposed to be like in sleep right now. Alright. So, yeah. I'm gonna cut the stream. I did approximately nothing. Kind of got distracted and failed Zig, low-key. But hopefully I'll be back tomorrow morning reading operating systems. And we'll just keep going from there. See ya.